Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This one now, the first time I heard this tune, I heard this in Oliver Samuel's, uh, one of his comedy skits that he did, Oliver at Large skits. And this was a song that was played. It was when he was a security guard. And I must say, it never left my mind throughout the years. It's a vibes tune. You know, it has a comedic side to it, and yeah, man. Hear this one by Ernie Smith, Duppy Gunman. Tune in, y'all. Storytellers of yesteryear, Pluto Shervington and Ernie Smith. Check it out.
I and I man forward on a different scene. I and I man Cali weed. I and I man queen. Everything was irie, getting in the groove. I just come down to movement when someone said, "Don't move." Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I man not find out yet. I and I so frightened. All the doctor name I forget. Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I never stopped to see. Quarry was a boy to I man last night. Him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow me. Next day the doctor asked me, "What happened to you last night?" Just when you're ready for work, you're sure you catch stage fright. It was a dread from across the gully, just passing through. Decide to run a little joke, it wouldn't trouble you. Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I might not find out yet. I and I was so frightened, all the daughter name I forget. Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I never stopped to see. Quarry was a boy to I man last night. Him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow me. One thing I learned for certain, spread it round the town. No make no sense, you start to run before your foot touch the ground. Well, I know say out they well bitter, me know say out they well dread. Nobody get heart failure, nobody lose your head. Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I might not find out yet. I and I so frightened, all the doctor name I forget. Well, it must be a Duppy or a gunman. I never stopped to see. Quarry was a boy to I man last night. He couldn't follow, him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow me. Well, it must be a
Duppy Gunman by Ernie Smith. As a youth, I used to mix up Ernie Smith and Pluto Shervington music together, because vocally they're very much similar. And they do almost the same type of thematic songs, as far as storytelling and, folk. Like I'd say, like it was a reggae version of folk songs that these individuals would sing. But yes, nonetheless, that was Ernie Smith with It Must Be a Duppy or a Gunman. Right? It was a fun, man. All the data name him forget. Right? Yeah, man. These were beautiful songs. Released in 1974. Ernie Smith coming through the door with Duppy Gunman. All right? Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Okay? Solid Rock tuning out. Duppy Gunman. Yes, big tune. Big. These songs are a part of Jamaica's history. Right? Festival music, festival vibes and them thing there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Solid Rock, tuning in, tuning out.